Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select units of measurement on the Pedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the settings icon down below, which is the first option. Now you should scroll down till you find the more settings section and click on it. Then tap on metric imperial unit, and here you should select which one you would like to use. Tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, this function of the application has been updated, so feel free to change it anytime you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.